My name is Deanna Cole-Eure. I have Cole Service Center. It's on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, and I've been a Drive client, so about 25 years now. Yes, one of the very first things was websites. Of course, we were coming into the age of Facebook and Instagram and everything else. And of course, they wanted us to get a website, and it took 3 years for them to talk me into it. I just said, I don't need a website. I'm the biggest fish in my pond. What do I need a website for? But I finally acquiesced, and when I signed up and got the website, I did not realize how much business we were missing and what kind of reach all that had. I just didn't understand it. I do now. Just do it. Someone told me years ago, one of the things that actually swayed me, they didn't go to college, but and I didn't go to college for any period of time, but taking the Drive classes is like getting a doctorate in automotive repair, shop management, and more than just the technical end. It's a doctorate in every facet of it: human relations, marketing, sales, inventory control, payroll, finance, just every aspect of it. It's like getting a college degree in every single one of those, and you're doing it in a very short period of time, and it's very specific to your business. It'll change your life. It'll change your attitude. It will give you, it's a massive toolbox. It's like having an employee on staff that knows every facet of the business. You can call them anytime with any question. If they don't have the resources, they will get them for you. It'll just change your life. It gives you all the tools you need, all the resources you could ever want.